Hi guys, I'm Aurelian, Systemeio founder, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an online course with Systemeio. So you're going to see it's going to take just a few minutes to create an entire course, an entire membership site with Systemeio. So you just have to go to product sales, then courses, right? So I'm going to create a new course. So let's give it a name, I don't know, like first course, doesn't matter, Here you have a few parameters. You can just leave it like them for now. So let's click save. So here it's the course content. So of course right now it's empty. So I'm going to add a module. All right. So first module. Yep. And then I'm going to add a lecture. So like first lecture. So the thing is, you can actually drip content. So if you want to give access to your content over the time, you can do it by setting here the number of days. So that's the first chapter. So I guess we want to give access right away to everyone. So let's leave it like this. So now I can edit the course content, and with our editor we can do absolutely everything we want. So usually what I do is that I'm gonna move this item, the title, right on the top, and what I do is that I'm gonna add a content box here. So usually that's like the resources. You can remove the title or just leave it like this. I'm gonna change the title by resources, right? Then I'm gonna add a bullet list here. So usually I like to change the color, put a nicer one like green. Yeah, that's it. So here you can put like awesome book on Amazon, blah blah blah. Of course you can add many more content. I recommend you to use the sections here. So I can of course move the section up and down on the page, but let's leave it like this. At the bottom you can resize the columns, and yeah, then you can add some items to it, like an image, like pretty much do everything you want. Add a title, etc., etc. So let's click on change, go back. So now I can duplicate my lecture. So I'm going to change the title. So second lecture. So maybe, if I want to give access to the content over time, I can now set a delay in days. So it can be like 7 days, and then I can add more modules. So module 2. Yeah. Okay, so here are the lectures of the first module. And then I can pretty much do the same, like duplicate here and move it down to the other lecture like this. Okay, so that's it, guys. We've created the course content. So of course, we need to put the exact content, images, videos, and stuff. But you see, like, how easy it is to create a membership site, an online course with Systemeio. In just a matter of minutes, you can create your course, and then you can sell it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually sell your course with Systemeio.